Welcome all. Dear student, today we are going to learn the topic circle of 7th standard. If you are newcomers, please subscribe the channel. Visit the playlist of 7th standard and you also watch the previous video. So student, look at the figure. In that figure, you have to identify the radii, chords as well as diameter. Look at the first radii or radius. This is the distance between center and the point lie on the circle. Means here look at OA. OA is the radius, as well as this is the OE, OC. O is center. E and C lie on the circle. So all those said as a radii. The second point is what? It is said chords. Look at here. This is the chord means what? The point lie on the circle. Distance between the point lie on the circle. Look at here. D and B lie on the circle, and so distance between DB is said as a chord. Also look at here. E and C is also chord, but this is the special chord. Why? Because those chord passing through center of circle. This is the largest chord, and largest chord is also called, the last concept is a diameter. So it is also diameter. EC or CE is the diameter. Look at here. Diameter makes from two radius, or also we denote a letter D. Diameter for D, radius for R. So I'm going to write here radius for R. One diameter is equal to 2 radius. 2 into radius means what? One radius is equal to half of diameter. D upon 2. I think you will be get my point. This is a basic of circle, radii, chord and diameter. Now we are going to learn the next concept, circumference of the circle. Look at those figure. Where are the circumference? In first figure, I am denoting as a C, means, or in second figure, look at here. This is the circumference. Now look at the picture. In picture, we measure give different three things, circumference as well as diameter, and we take a ratio of circumference and diameter. It will be get 3.14, approximately 3.14. आपण हे आपल्या घरी करून पहा. And that 3.14 is the constant ratio. It is said as a value of pi. It is said as a pi. Relation between circumference and diameter is always constant, and it is said as a word pi. Means pi is the value of 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. So we write here pi is equal to C upon D. Okay, C upon D, circumference divided by diameter. After cross multiplying, we will be get C is equal to pi into D, means pi D. C is equal to pi D. Now we know that D is equal to 2 into R. So we put up the value, we get C is equal to 2 pi R. This is the two formula for us. C is equal to pi D and C is equal to 2 pi R. We know that value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7, nothing but 3.14. It is the approximate value of pi. Remember that pi is here. This is the ratio of circumference and diameter. आणि हा कोणत्याही सर्क्युलर शेपला कॉन्स्टंट राहतो हे लक्षात घ्या. नाव वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न or solve the first problem. The diameter of circle is 7 centimeter. Find its circumference. Student, here given is what? It is the diameter. Diameter is a 7 centimeter. So we write here D is equal to 7 centimeter. We know that the formula is what about diameter? There are two formulae. One is a C is equal to pi d, another one is a C is equal to 2 pi r. But we use first formula because diameter is given. So C is equal to pi d. Value of pi is what? 22 upon 7. Just we put up the value here. We get 22 upon 7 into 7. 7 get cancel. So it will be remaining what? C is equal to 22, and the unit of circumference is nothing but length, and the length measure in the centimeter. So C is equal to 22 centimeter, means circumference of circle is 22 centimeter. Now we are going to solve the second problem. In that problem, the diameter of circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. We know that similar thing, D is equal to 14 centimeter and pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Now we solve the problem. Just we use the first formula because diameter is given. C is equal to pi d. We put up the value 22 upon 7. Value of diameter is 14. So into 14. 7 2s are 14. So 22 into 2. We will get answer 44 centimeter. The unit is 44 centimeter. So circumference of circle is 44 centimeter. Now we are going to solve the problem about radius. So look at here, the radius of circle is 21 centimeter. So we are going to write r is equal to 21 centimeter and pi, value of pi is 22 upon 7. Now student, we use second formula because radius is given here. So C is equal to 2 pi r, and just we are going to put up the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. So 7 3s are 21. Now look at here, 2 into 22 into 3. So we will get, this is a 44 multiplication into 3. We are also going to multiply 44 into 3. We will be get 2 is here and 13. 1 3 means 132 centimeter is the circumference of given circle. Similarly, we also solve the last problem. It is also about related to radius. Radius is given is here 35 centimeter and ask the what is the circumference. Now here is given is what? Given is radius 35 centimeter and also pi is nothing but 22 upon 7. Just we have the formula of circumference, means C is equal to 2 pi r. We put up the value 22 upon 7 into 2 into 35. 7 5s are 35. 2 into 22 into 5. So the answer will be 44 into 5. 5 4s are 20 means 0. 5 4s are 22. 4s are 20 plus 2 means here is answer is the C is equal to 220 meter. Look at here, the unit is meter. I think तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा. थँक्यू.